Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, we are stepping into the world of tallyprime to elevate your invoicing experience in 2024. Whether you are new to Tally or looking to enhance your skills, this is the tutorial for you. Join me as we explore the features, shortcuts, and everything you need for creating your invoices. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So the first thing guys that I will need you to do is to simply head up to tallyprime.com, as you can see, or Tally Solutions. After you do so, we need to download their software. So here I'm going to click on download and their software is going to be downloaded. So here it is, the setup, as you can see here. So let's click on it, and now simply let's wait until it opens. Now, as you can see, this is the software. I'm going to click on I to install, and it shall start downloaded right now. As you can see, here they are. Start tallyprime, and as you can see, this is the software. It has been installed within few seconds. Now we need to wait until it is fully opened. It's gonna be taking a little bit of second to finish opening, and there we can give it allow access, accept, and we are now on this tutorial. So here I'm going to click right here to add, like, try it for free, educational. So there we go. And as you can see guys, here I'm going to add some details. So I'm going to add company name, as you can see here. Let's click right here, let's add the company name. So I'm going to name it, for example, Titan Ltd, and not applicable. Here we are going to add or the location. So let's choose, for example, that we are from UK. Here the currency, let's keep it as it is, and simply this is what we want for now. So you can click here to quit. So I'm going to click on yes, I'm going to quit this page. Here there is some other stuff, for example, select from drive, specify path, etc, etc. Now what we want exactly from this software is basically to create invoices. So after you create your company, you add your company to there and you want to create your invoices. So what you have to do is simply that. So once you have actually managed to create your account and you have everything set up and you have like added your company as we did at the beginning, so here we are going to create, and basically here you have to fill all of these different things from group, ledger, voucher type, stock group, every item that you have. So it should be everything be literally added step by step. After you do so, well, the next thing to do is to display more reports. Here you will have so many reports that you can use, for example, the restore balance, day book, cash flow, funds flow, accounts books, and much more than that. Since we are only using the free trial, we're not going to be able to actually find invoices. So that's why guys, I'm going to move into like basically an article that will literally show you how to do so. So to generate invoice login credentials, once you enable the invoice integration phase under F11, so you have to click on F11. So let me just quit that. We have to create, like, let me just click here, yes, and basically you have to click on F11, go to company features and enable value added tax, and put yes and press enter. So the VAT details screen appears, and then specify the details related to VAT, which is TVA, which are basically taxes. So you have to add the VRN type, VAT number, registration date, and periodicity. After that, specify the applicability of invoice integration phase. Invoice integration phase has to be turned yes. Applicable form, then the date and also the applicable form, and then press enter, and the invoice login credentials screen appears. Press G to generate, the certificate sign-in request form appears. Specify the details in the certificate sign-in request form as needed. You have to fill the company name as per the name in this company data, company VAT number, Organization unit 10, which is basically taxpayer identification number. As per your VAT registration, you can change it if needed. Select invoice type as applicable. There is simplified invoice if your company has only B2C transactions, standard invoice if your company has only B2B transaction, simplified and standard invoice if your company has B2C and B2B transactions. F, industry name, the name of your industry such as automobile, oil and gas, or other as applicable. Sixth is to generate an OTP on the invoice system and enter it in the OTP field. Log into the invoice system or Factura portal and generate an OTP. So here you can simply go to this page, as you can see, and from this page you have to generate an OTP. So here, if you are not logged into the invoice system and want to generate an invoice login credentials later, then you can press Ctrl A to save the details. Then the OTP, the OTP and press enter. Enter the OTP and press enter, and then the CSR form with all the necessary details appears as shown below. So it's going to be somewhere like that. So here it is, your company name, your company VAT number, organization unit, 10, invoice type, location, industry name, OTP generated in the invoicing system, and here the send the CSR form after saving has to be turned into yes. After that, press Y to submit the details, and after that, simply you can now renew invoice login credentials, login, and here you go. So here turn everything yes, and from now on you can literally just start creating your invoices as many times as you want. So creating an invoice is not more longer harder. So to find it next time, if you quit it after you saved your first invoice, simply just click on F1 as they are mentioned right here. F1, go to troubleshooting, restore invoicing details, and there enter, as you can see in this picture right there. So troubleshooting, after you click on F1 and then restore invoicing details, and you will be able to open your invoice once more. So here it is, the invoicing details, how they are going to look like depending on the language that you are using. They will accept every single language that they have in the system, multiple languages: English, Chinese, Indian language, Arabic, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Brazilian, everything. I mean, when I say everything, I mean like the top 30 language at least, they are accepted by the software, if only if you have the premium version. If not, well, you will have a lot of problems, and even the actual invoice feature will not be able or open to you. So yeah guys, with that being said, that was it for today's video. Creating an invoice on Tally is pretty much easy task as long as you have a premium account. So guys, thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.